Good day, everyone. So for today, let me share with you on how to share your Google Drive folder to others. So let's say, for example, this is the Google Drive folder that I want to share. So all I need to do is to click these three dots here. And then kindly, once we click this one, we have here the option share. So click that and then click share. And then we can now edit the settings. So here, the general access is restricted. So we can change that. Anyone with the link. Or if we don't want that, if we want to still remain restricted, the general access, we can now invite people. So let's say, for example, this one. We want to invite them and we can choose the role of the person that we want to invite. Side there, he or she only a viewer, commenter, or editor, we can edit it. Okay. Or let's say, for example, we want to open it publicly. So we can change the general access to anyone with the link. And then we can also change their role. So let's say, for example, we want them to be viewer, commenter, or editor. It's up to us. Okay. Let's say, for example, we want them to become an editor. And then so we can copy the link. And then once the link copied, we can now share it to people that uh we can share now the link to people that we want them to access our Google Drive folder. And once done, click done.